everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss that what is artificial intelligence. So it basically comprises of two words, artificial and intelligence. So let's first see the definition of intelligence. So intelligence is an ability to deal with the new situations, the ability to solve the problems and to answer the questions and to devise the plans and so on. The intelligence can also be termed as abstract thinking, self-awareness, communication, learning and understanding from the experiences, memory and planning, creativity and problem solving, and responds effectively. Intelligence does not necessarily mean how fast information is processed, but it is the ability to demonstrate the intelligence by communicating and by learning the new concepts. So let's discuss that what is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the study of systems that acts in a way that to any observer would appear to be intelligent. Or we can say that artificial intelligence involves using methods based on the intelligent behavior of system and other animals to solve the complex problems. We can also say the systems that thinks like human, system that thinks rationally, systems that acts like human, and system that acts rationally is that system will be known as the artificial system. Right? It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Let's discuss some examples of artificial intelligence. So here are some examples: understanding spoken natural languages, medical diagnosis, circuit design, learning, self-adaptation, reasoning, game playing. These all are the examples of artificial intelligence. So this is all about the artificial intelligence. I hope you understand it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.